sai guruli image vi mutum sa da welcome sa program hi tan tu wai na sang ta tle ram nau shingkur so nau ping ka than ping ka le long nau ping mutum sai guruli image vi den hoa phong so gai nang so da da tu le de ning xi phong so tle
hiện đó là cái hoa này ít ada YouTube na corporation milaga na kuzik kahai je every year nutumle welcome kasa ina so the anyway life story education status sala ina chite minai the kene where do we begin our journey company shorter jiwi nimring kata da kijiwi ina popo But Malay emits with future scope kikla. Points been maka children naga inui avale ningshi kujunka hanjipungai kajia atumna physically, mentally, and spiritually natala aina guide sakmi yansun kami wivan achi nanau kani recruit districtly Malay lakrang gaji LED manufacturing and supply company aka thora the satsa tlepo inina miwi thada maka shunra salala tamkui shipui maman laka inshum ba shunda kala bre aina nutumwi nosokmi nga aina sabak vai sara opin ini he ngunwi laka we aina classmate Salagat Tamgakana. Inina, Christkin High School, we in 2012 the matric Takuya as a first batch matriculate. Kula senior secondary here, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary Kumbung, 2014 le Kupsama. Chivichile engineering here, St. Aloysius Institute of Technology, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, 2018 le Kupsama. Graduate Kupsang High Laka, Mumbai Dalaka 6 months web designing Adam Kriya. She could clear the 6-month Vivan chip design and verification course enrolled Sakri Laka Tamkriya. Kala Hobin Ala PCB designing here Mumbai certified Sakri. Kala CCNA CCMB computer networking certified here New Delhi Sakuya. Here anyway Shila Gai education status na point kakane company shora gachiwi ningrin katada gachiwi aina opop Ukrul district le Nishan Khabatharan LED manufacturing industry here mule lagranga emits na shamhalda paisa le halda kala inina thaitum me halda company ko show mule latmana ka inina tamkri shipri ka hai arima masa haila keteo ka thai hi practical sanaga avaram reason kawai salakse da kasana kala avaram reason pirara Chiaka itum kalata job great sami brungra itum we amay agato achon serbrangara kachung gachana ayar nalady pom satale miur gate being we arau sabon satale. So our main aim is to create job even though it might be for few. In doing so we can self-sustain in our own land and also to bring solution to other business partners too. Third point, emits with future scope kikla. Arri emits the manufacture sadakle chi LED bulb, arri LED bulb here, ceiling lights, tube lights, AC/DC light, monthly focus kasana. Our short-term goals is to add more products and services, say light, fog light, street light, solar panel, lang room provide some mandale chimamuni la hardware and software solution lang room ira any electrical and electronic items like computer, laptop, mobile phone, and many more. Anyway, long-term goals na to create more jobs for our own peoples and self-sustain in our own land, to self-sustain in our own land. Lastly, but not least, we always need your support and prayers. Thank you.
Krotu G.
The Sada he killed Julaga. Ababa we come a Johnson. Alala, I knew we what come up some. Look at me, Hindi. Hitada. Joe Mame Tada Tampalaka. Kasatam he, Achurachum, he was stitched in our eye. I had a pop look at it. Was what you got the lay. Yes, for my look it. He got here, I'm no way to go for key. Glad now that he had that. Actually, who put down, he lay. He launched Sakang, sir. He did not tell me something. Sudda, he dropped Kanishi.
좀 힘들었다.
20 cash by R. Lawrence Visa, EDC Rapid. 여러분들 방편이 있어요.